Hey, and happy Monday, everyone. Second day of October in this fine fall of 2017. Sure, if you're seeing this in a historical perspective, you know what happened last night out in Las Vegas. I am driving north in Colorado and headed to a little place where I can go shooting and do some practice with a couple of handguns. I got 3 of them with me and a couple of different calibers, and gonna have a good time. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're all nice to each other. We're all in this together, man. All right, so this is where we're gonna shoot. We have a nice earthen backdrop, probably 300 or 400 feet on that side. Not gonna shoot way up to that tree. We're just gonna do some pistol stuff. Alrighty, so I have my earplugs in. I probably sound kind of goofy. We have 3 firearms. We got our 38s, one there and one there, and our 32. We're going to start with the 38. Oh, let me show you the target. Here we go. There's our target. Oh, my little can fell off with something to shoot at. Hang on. Put that right there, and that there too. Okay. Alright, we're about 15 yards. There we go. Alrighty, it still shoots, so I'm going to shoot another one. You want to watch? Alright, hang on. Let me show you where I hit the first one. From right about here. And I was just horsing around. Not too bad. Let's try it again. We'll leave the camera running this time. And pull the hammer back. Get our finger inside the trigger guard and be careful. You ready? Yeah, I only hit it twice, but look at that. Look at that. Let's try to get better. Oh my lord, I have never shot this pistol before. Here's what it looks like. Little 38 special, Smith & Wesson. There's the target. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. You guys ready? It might be a little loud. Here we go. From my point of view. Here we go. A little higher, right on top of my head. Now we pull it all the way back. You don't know when it's going to hit. Woohoo! Alright, don't know if I showed it. Here's the little snub noser. A little bitty short fella. Let's go up here and see what I can hit from about. That's probably it. Let's see what I can do. Handed. Let's try it. Hammer drop. Thing right up here so you can see it from my perspective. I drop the hammer. Calm the breath. Calm the breath. There's a good little pistol. Look at that. Shooting low. Let's try hitting that stick. It's gonna be out now. Yep. This one's a little different. It's a plastic pistol. It's not all plastic, but you get the idea. Well, hit it a few times. Got a few bullets left, but now's the time to finish out the practice. Should have been 6. Yep, that's 6. Let's see what we did. Look at them big holes. Wow. one more time, or two more times. Hey everybody, I want you to look at the Volkswagen Cargo protection system. Yeah, it's two 38s and a 32. Yeah, that's your protection system right there. Alright, well, I'm trying to find a place where I can put the camera where I won't shoot it and you can still see me shoot. So, car's over there. I think if the camera is right about here, you might be able to see me. Let's see. Nope. Right there maybe? Right there maybe. What about that? Let's go see. Alright. Ought to be in range about now for the video. Maybe. Looks like it could be pointing up a little bit higher, huh? Maybe. A little higher. Alright, here we go. Here we go. This is about the inside of a house, eh? Oh, it misfired. Bummer. There we go. Gun's clear. Alright. It misfired. Empty. You ever seen the dueling 6-shooters? I've never done this. Whoa. Whoa, that was fun. Yeah, I didn't hit anything, but that was fun. Another good day in the Rockies. Gosh, 8,000 feet, something like that. Been out here, did a little shooting, and I actually hit the target once or twice. Have a nice day, everybody. Remember, we're all in this together.